What's going on, everyone? I'm glad that you're here. So today, I want to chat about a few different ways that you can remain feeling healthy as you get older. Now, keep in mind, these are some of the things that I do that have been working for me. However, if you've got some things that you want to add on top of what I'm going to share in this video, by all means, please leave a comment down below with some of the things that you've had success with on your own. And with that, let's get started. Okay, so the first thing is to try to keep yourself at a healthy weight. And yes, I know there's like a million different ways that you can do this, but I think the trick for each individual is finding a diet and an exercise program that works for you and your lifestyle. Now, currently, I just recently jumped back on the keto bandwagon, and I've also incorporated more exercise so that I can drop about 10 pounds. Now, I don't need to lose a ton of weight, but I'm currently up about 10 pounds from where I would like to be. And the side benefit is that a lot of the items hanging in my closet would fit me a little bit better if I dropped 10 pounds. So I saw this video on YouTube recently where this guy put on this like really heavy fat suit that weighed like 120 pounds. Now he had to keep the suit on all day just to see kind of what it feels like carrying around that much extra weight. Now the guy in the video was in pretty great physical condition, but he really struggled later in the day with carrying around that much extra weight. And I think that's a really good eye-opener for a lot of us to understand what it must be like having that type of excess weight on your frame. It just makes everything you do a lot more difficult. So I think the overall message here, in order to feel your best, and I know this is a generalization, is to get yourself at a healthy weight for your frame. Okay, next on my list is retaining some energy and as much mental capacity as possible. So here's some of the things that I've started noticing about myself. So I'll be working in my office, right? And then I'll remember that I need to go into the other room to grab something. So I'll start walking into the other room, and then once I get there, I completely forgot what I was there for. I eventually figured out, but that's the type of brain fart or brain fog or lack of focus that makes you really question, or at least makes me question, how healthy my brain is. So after doing some research on brain fog and focus, I discovered lion's mane mushroom and the effects it has on not only your memory, but research has also found that lion's mane mushroom may also protect against mild symptoms of anxiety, depression, nerve damage, and even dementia. And a lot of you guys probably know by now that I'm a pretty big vitamin and supplement guy, so over the last couple of weeks, I've been taking these supplements from First Person. Now, First Person is sponsoring today's video, and these guys make some of the coolest capsule supplements I've ever seen or used. And I love how they designed in all of the cool different colors. It just looks super cool. Now, all of their different capsules that I've been taking are precision, targeted, cognitive supplements that use the brain-boosting medical benefits of mushrooms to activate this full potential of human cognition and brain health. And their supplements are made with functional mushrooms that stimulate the body's natural production of specific neurotransmitters that trigger activities like energy, mood, and sleep. And what's also amazing is they use 100% grain-free organic mushrooms and premium natural ingredients. Okay, so these are all three supplements that I've been taking for, like I said, about the last couple of weeks. And I'm really enjoying the results that I'm getting. So this first one is Sunbeam. This one is for motivation and focus. And it's helping me with my productivity because I feel more alert and focused. The next one is Golden Hour. So this one's for connection and joy. It helps kind of that midday mood if I'm feeling kind of stressed out and helps me feel more present. The last one is Moonlight. So this is your nighttime supplement for a deep sleep. It helps relax the central nervous system that kind of helps prepare the brain and body for sleep so that I can fall asleep a lot faster and then wake up feeling a lot more well rested. Now, please understand that what I'm telling you is simply my overall results, and I'm very happy with these supplements and the benefits that I've seen in a pretty short amount of time. But also understand that the statements I'm making have not been evaluated by the Food and Drug Administration. These products are not intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any disease. And one more thing, just kind of on a side note, my mom is in her late 70s, and she's been having these memory loss issues lately, so I told her that I was doing my research for this video, and I encouraged her to look into this product or even just lion's mane at a bare minimum. So listen, If you're interested in trying these out, go to getfirstperson.com and use code FASHION to save 15% off your first order. Again, go to the link in my description for 15% off that first order. And thank you, First Person, for supporting my channel and sponsoring today's video. All right, and since we're on the subject of supplements, I just want to say that it's impossible to give your body all the nutrients it needs with just food alone. So I encourage all of you to find a whole food multivitamin that you can take every single day. Because here's the deal. When you get older, a lot of people can have trouble absorbing specific nutrients from foods like iron, calcium, and B12. And if you're not getting enough of those vitamins through just food alone, that's where a good quality multivitamin comes in. Now, vitamin C is also a huge one for many different reasons. Vitamin C is necessary for growth, development, and repair of all your body tissues. It also helps with the formation of collagen, the absorption of iron, maintenance of cartilage and your bones, and also proper functioning of your entire immune system. Vitamin C also helps with stress, stroke, and skin aging. So listen to this. There was a study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition that examined links between nutrient intakes and skin aging in over 4,000 people aged 40 to 74. And it found that higher vitamin C intakes were associated with a lower likelihood of a wrinkled appearance, also dryness of the skin, and a better overall aging appearance. In addition, topical treatments like lotions with vitamin C have been shown in some studies to actually reduce wrinkles. All right, now coming in next is to reduce your alcohol intake. Now this is one that I've kind of been working on lately because a lot of you guys know I live in wine country and I do like wine. But some of the benefits of taking a break from alcohol, or at least trying to cut back, can be lower blood sugar, lower blood pressure, less fatty buildup around the liver, less skin conditions like rosacea, way better sleep, more energy, and also better absorption of nutrients like B12 and zinc from that multivitamin that we talked about earlier that you should be taking. Cutting back on alcohol can also help with weight loss and also help reduce depression and those all too familiar alcohol-related symptoms like headaches, heartburn, indigestion, and high Uber bills. Now, next is to be more physically active. So if you don't go to the gym, at least try to work on moving your body some more. Like get outside and go for a walk for like an hour or so. And if you can't do an hour, do like 30 minutes. And if you have stairs in your house, walk up and down your stairs a bunch of times to get your heart rate going. Get yourself some resistance bands or dumbbells and then jump on YouTube and find some really cool workout videos that inspire you. You only have one body, and I know that you're smart enough to know that already, but it's like the old saying goes, if you don't use it, you'll lose it. And again, drop me a comment down below and let me know what's working for you. And one more thing, if you made it this far in the video, please tap the like button and consider subscribing. I would appreciate that. And as always, my friends, thank you so much for watching. Live well, and I'll see you in the next one.